Hey there everybody, lunchtime here at the Trawf, sneaking home from work to make a little something quick. And I made some steak last night on the Blackstone Griddle and gonna go ahead and turn that into a killer lunch sandwich. So let's see how this comes together. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take this leftover chuck eye steak and we'll trim it off just a little bit here. And we're gonna slice it nice and thin. That way it'll cook really fast and it'll pile up nicely on the sandwich. Then we're just going to get together some other ingredients. I think some cheese, and we'll maybe throw a few greens on there. We'll get an egg and toast up an English muffin. I think that's going to work out great. All right, so these are going to be the main ingredients here for our lunchtime sandwich here. Got this leftover chuck eye steak. I'm going to throw that on the Blackstone and warm that back up. Don't want to get too crazy cooking it because it looks pretty good as it sits right there. And as far as cheese, because I'm in Wisconsin, got to have some cheese on a sandwich, and I might as well throw these cheese curds on there. So we'll melt those down just a little bit into that steak, and that's going to work out well. We'll fry up an egg to throw on top of it, because who doesn't love a little yolk porn? And we're going to put it all on this English muffin here, which we'll toast alongside on the Blackstone. So let's head outside. My friends, there you go. A 10-minute sandwich. Leftover steak, cheese curds, and a fried egg on a toasted English muffin. Go ahead and slice into this and see how we came out. All right, let's go ahead and take a bite out of this sandwich and see how we did. Got that soft cheese curd in there, steak, the egg. I'm telling you what, I'd buy that in a restaurant. You just can't beat leftovers when they come together like that. Quick and easy, 10 minutes between cutting up the steak and frying this thing up on the Blackstone. What an incredible lunch. I gotta finish it up so I can get back to work, but you know, if you like what you saw here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here and give us a thumbs up on this video. You know, hit that notifications bell if you're interested in seeing when we get new data or new videos coming out. I'm gonna put a link down below again for this Vulcan's Fire Salt from the Spice House here in Milwaukee. What an incredible addition. It really just makes your food explode with great flavor. So check that out, give them a follow, and look forward to seeing you next time here at the Trawf. Have a great day.